Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am here with a new informative video. Before starting my video, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So let's start the video without wasting your time. Today we discuss about Upwork, how we do about Upwork. First of all, we should open our Chrome here. We should check Upwork. That's why here is Upwork. Someone is getting late to Upwork. Some we should freelancing app work. If you link about learn about that, we should use that. If you use that Upwork LinkedIn, we should read that about Upwork. After Upwork's software development, San Francisco, California. Upwork is the world work marketplace. We serve everyone from one person startup to over 30% of the Fortune 100% with a powerful trust-driven platform that enable companies and talent to work together in a new ways that unlock their potential. Over a 10 community earned over $3.3 million on creative or design customer support, finance, accounting, consulting, and operations. Industries, software development, company size, company size, employers, headquarters, California, types, public company, founded 2015, specialist freelancing agencies. Here, a work. We will today about Upwork and Nvidia. So we read that. We read that. We read Upwork, the work marketplace here. That's why we use that. Upwork sign up. Here we rank Upwork jobs. Then we click here, work from, and here we see that Upwork jobs and many other cheeses. We saw the about its picture. We saw the Upwork works pictures. So we can search here about that, about its purpose. I hope you like my video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will get a notification about my next video and next informative or quality video as soon as I